All right, everybody, welcome back from the challenge party. Thank you so much for joining us. This is your Getting Started training. You have absolutely made the right decisions to get started as a promoter, to go out there and spread the word, and to fight the obesity epidemic with us, and to do amazing things as an entrepreneur for you and your family.
Okay, so if you've not already enrolled as a promoter, we need to get you enrolled immediately, and that's very easy to do, either online or through the person that invited you down, their mobile app that's on their cell phone. All you need to do is decide what promoter kit that you want, and then choose your challenge kit, and choose what time of the month you like that kit sent to you.
So you're choosing your auto ship for your challenge kit. Whatever your challenge is that you're getting on, if it's weight loss, the transformation kit, you want to choose that on the 5th of the month. That's the day that we recommend. Why wait and get it for free on the 19th of the month if you plan on getting it for free on the 5th of the month? Choose your auto ship for the 5th.
And then you want to make sure you set that website up using your username and password, and that's going to be your website that you're going to use to share with the information that you're going to learn on the Getting Started training. If you've not already done so, go to www.gst.vi.com and download the packet. Now we're going to show you over the next 15 to 20 minutes 5 very simple steps to show you how to qualify for these exciting pools, start earning an income, and get going right. Congratulations once again. Let's get started.
All right, everybody, before we go into the 5 steps of the Getting Started training, we're going to set some goals. The very first goal is your own challenge goal. What is that? It might be to lose 20 pounds. It might be for some guys out there to gain 5 or 10 pounds of muscle, some women too, just to lean down and get cut. Or it might be to lose some inches. I don't know what your goal is, but you do. Write down that goal, because if you write it down, chances are you're going to be more congruent. And here's what we do know. We know you guys can do this, and you will do this. Just commit to your 90-day transformation and watch how your life is going to change.
Well, now that you got your 90-day challenge goal in place, let's now talk about some business goals. There's 2 specific business goals that we're trying to accomplish with you with this Getting Started training. It was said earlier that this Getting Started training is all about 7 days to bonus pools. Now let's talk about those pools and what they are. One of them is the 3 for free weekly bonus pool, and one of them is the Rising Star bonus pool. How the 3 for free weekly bonus pool works is we're going to help you get your 3 for free qualifications done inside of your first 30 days. So we need to get you on your kit and help you find 3 friends to get on the challenge with you with the same or higher value kit. Now your product's free. But you're now qualified to earn weekly bonus pool checks every time you help one of your customers or your personally enrolled promoters also accomplish 3 for free. So if you think about this, every time that you help one of your customers go 3 for free, you're getting a weekly bonus pool check as long as you got your 3 for free done inside of your first 30 days. Now for the Rising Star weekly pool. How this works is anyone who goes director inside of their first 30 days is given the status of Rising Star Director. And when you do that, you're going to get a one-time pool check out of the Rising Star weekly pool. So if you don't become a Rising Star and people that you're enrolling do, that's a weekly bonus pool check that you're going to miss when they get the status of Rising Star. So the most important thing I want you to take away from this Getting Started training is that we got 30 days to qualify you for these 2 pools, but we're going to teach you how to do it in your first 7 days.
So it's very important that you get qualified for these bonus pools. And so now we're going to move on to your 5 action steps.
All right, now it's time for step 1. The first action step is to shoot your video. You or someone you are with has a cell phone that can take video, so let's shoot your video. You are a promoter, so let's promote your 90-day challenge. Doesn't it make sense that you want others to be responsive to what you have to say? So be excited, have fun with your video, smile. Know that you are taking the first step to a better you. Promoting your challenge with excitement, with enthusiasm, will make it fun and exciting for others to take the 90-day challenge with you. What you are going to say is very simple. I just started my Body by Vi 90-day challenge. My goal is to state your goal. You have to take the challenge with me. Should you want to enter Project 10, and I highly encourage you to do so, Should you want free I Lost It or I Built a t-shirt? Should you want your name to go in the drawing to win $1,000? And should you want ViSalus to sponsor a child in need in your honor, you have to get on the scale. If you don't want to enter Project 10, no problem. You do not have to get on the scale. If you do want to enter Project 10, you have to get on the scale. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't want to have to get on the scale. I know how you feel. I felt the same way. But what I found out was it was quite liberating because that number did not define me, and I was about to change it. I got on the scale because I wanted the free t-shirt. It's a great conversation starter. I wanted my name to go in the drawing to win $1,000. ViSalus is giving away $10,000 to 10 people who lose 10 pounds every single week. And guess what? I won it. And I wanted to make a difference and be an agent in fighting childhood obesity and malnutrition through Project 10 Kids. When I lost it, a child won. Entering Project 10 helped me do all three, and you can too. It's so easy to enter. You're going to say the exact same thing on your Project 10 video as you did in the previous video. The only difference is you'll be showing your starting point weight on the scale. The good news, this won't be your weight for long. So the bottom line is you want to just shoot your video because that's going to help you promote your challenge, and that's going to help you get into the pools in 7 days or less. So everyone, ready, set, shoot your video.
Now that we got that video shot, it is time to go public. We've got to get the word out there to friends and family members and neighbors and coworkers so they all know that not only you're on the challenge, but you're now promoting it to everybody you can. There's two ways of going public. There's high tech and there's high touch. That way, whatever style matches you, you can feel the most comfortable. Let's talk first about the high tech. For those of you guys who are on Facebook, what I want you to do right now is I want you to grab that cell phone and I want you to open up to Facebook and I want you to upload the video that you just took in step 1. Now, the words that I want you to say when you make this post on your Facebook are going to be this: I just started my Body by Vi 90-day challenge. Watch my video and check out these results. www.results.vi.com, #ViLife. And by adding that #ViLife at the end, you're literally telling the entire ViSalus community that you're now on the challenge as well. What's going to happen is everyone that you're connected to on Facebook, they're going to see that little video you just shot, and now you're going to direct them to a website to see hundreds of other people's results. So what we're going to do now is we're going to let your inner circle know that you're on the challenge via text. If you're anything like me, before you even talk to anybody these days, you send a text, hey, I'm on the way, or I'll call you in 5 minutes. It's just a normal, natural way of communicating. I want you to take that video you just shot in step 1 and upload it into text. You're going to say the exact same thing in the text that you just said on Facebook. The words are listed right below step 2 of Go Public. Again, those words: I just started my Body by Vi 90-day challenge. Watch my video and check out these results, www.results.vi.com. Send that out to 25 people right now via text of people that you're friends with, family members, associates, business connections, neighbors. Just get the word out there. Because if you don't go public, nobody knows that you're on a challenge. So you guys remember, as a promoter, you must go public. And the amount of success that you have as a promoter is directly correlated to the amount of people that know you're on the challenge. So get that out there to everybody. For those of you guys that are a little bit more high touch, maybe you want to pick up the phone and call 25 people, or maybe you just want to walk across the street to your neighbor's house and share the challenge with them in person. Either way, we've got to go public and we've got to get the word out there. Here's what you would say if you were going to reach out to those 25 people via the phone. You'd call them up and say, I just started my Body by Vi 90-day challenge. My goal is to, insert your goal, go to www.results.vi.com and check this out. So if your goal is to lose 20 pounds, it would sound like this. You'd call up your friend, you'd say, hey friend, it's Nick. I just started my Body by Vi 90-day challenge. My goal is to lose 20 pounds. You have to check this out. Go to www.results.vi.com and I'm going to call you back in 5 minutes. And that's all you have to do. And just keep reaching out to people and reaching out to people and getting them to go look at that website. If you're going to do it in person, you would say the exact same thing, except you might hand them a magazine or a sample. Once you're officially enrolled as a promoter, the system is going to kick out your personal website. And you can start giving everyone that website instead of the results.vi.com website. All I can tell you guys is step 2 is the most important step of the Getting Started training. Because if nobody knows you're on a challenge, you're not in business. You will never qualify for that 3 for free bonus pool, and you'll never qualify for that Rising Star pool inside of your first 30 days. You've got to get the word out there right away. So go public on Facebook. Go public via text. Pick up the phone and reach out to some people and approach people that you know that are in your surrounding area, but you've got to get the word out and you got to do it now. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video and give everyone a chance to shoot their video in step 1 and then go public in step 2 by uploading it to Facebook and beginning to text it out.
Welcome to step 3. Now that you've gone public, we are going to schedule an event for you to have those people come over and try the Vi-Crunch, try the shake, and check out the rest of the challenge. We're going to schedule your personal challenge party, and you want to schedule your personal challenge party 4 to 7 days from today, and we're going to do it in your home. The goal is to get the party scheduled in 4 to 7 days because it's the only way we can help you qualify for the pool in 7 days. The reason you want to do it in your home is because the 20 or so people you went public with will be the most comfortable in your home.
More people will show up and be interested because it's at your house. Where are people more likely to show up to? Your house or a stranger's house? Your house or a strange office building or maybe a strange hotel? Obviously your house. After they go through the Getting Started training, we're going to teach them how to have a challenge party. One at your house and then the next one will be at their house. All of the details on how to throw a challenge party is found at gst.vi.com. You're going to find all of the documents there and how to run an effective challenge party. Don't worry, you're going to work closely with the person who enrolled you to understand the process of running your party. It's simple, it's easy, and it's a lot of fun. We're going to pause the video now so that you can schedule your own personal challenge party.
Hi, this is Jennifer and Jason O'Toole, Global Ambassadors. Now it's time for step 4, follow up and invite. So you've shot your video, you've just gone public, and you've just texted family members and friends. Now it's time to invite people to your personal challenge party.
Absolutely. One of the things that Jennifer and I learned early on is that you're really going to want to follow up and invite everybody that you just texted at this point in time. You're going to want to do that immediately after you send out those text messages. So what you're basically going to do is you're going to give them a call and you're going to say, hey, did you get a chance to see my video or my website about my challenge? If the answer is yes, you're going to say, awesome, listen, you really need to check this out and invite them over to your personal challenge party. And if the answer is no, you're going to say, no problems. Listen, let me resend you that video, let me resend you the website, and I'm going to give you a call back in 5 minutes. If they can't make it, or if they don't show up, then you're simply going to take the party to them. So we want you to literally get in your car, go over to their house, schedule a time that you can meet, and literally take them through the process right there at their home. Now, if they live out of town, I want you to simply send them to your website and to click on the challenge video. And it's literally that simple, gang. You can also leverage events.vi.com and you can send them out to a local event in their area. So gang, if there's one thing that I've learned through this whole process and doing this time after time after time, is that you're going to want to follow up for 99% of your business. Make sure you do not skip this step, because if you don't follow up with the people that you invited at this point in time, the last thing you want to have happen is for somebody else to do that. So have fun, good luck, and we'll talk to you on the next step.
Now it's time for step 5, register for the next event. Vi has a series of different events going on everywhere. We've got local group challenge parties, local success trainings, regional success training, and our Super Bowl events, the national success trainings. Every marketplace is different, but here's the bottom line. You have to get to every event because you never know which event is the event that will change your life.
Success training is the nuts and the bolts of how we build our business.
Where else can you go and be around a bunch of positive, uplifting people?
Seeing is believing, and belief is what the events are going to do.
We also have in the lower right-hand corner of the Getting Started training flyer information on how to connect with our company-wide vision call, which happens on Monday night. You'll hear corporate updates and news from all over the Vi community. Also, on Thursday night, our Challenge Trainer Call. This call is designed to give you tips from expert professionals within the Vi community on how to be more successful on your 90-day challenge. And then there's our 24-hour, 7 days a week pre-recorded hotline, which is called the Vi line, so that you can share the challenge anytime, anywhere.
So guys, it's important for you to get immediately with who you're working with and find out when your next local event is. In fact, if they're sitting there with you, please take a moment right now to pause this video and write down the next event on step 5.
Okay, everybody, so you just saw the Getting Started training, 7 days to the bonus pools. If you take these 5 simple steps that we just taught you and you go get your challenge, right? Figure out what your challenge is, hit your 3 for free, hit Rising Star, shoot your video, and go public with it, this will help you get into your pools, your bonus pools, in 7 days.
That's right, and don't forget that challenge party. The challenge party in 4 to 7 days from today. You want to make sure you schedule it. You want to invite people down, texting them, calling them, inviting them to your challenge party. Fill up that challenge party, and let's not forget the events. The events are the backbone of your business. Make sure you get to them. The things you're going to learn there will change your life. On behalf of everyone here, we want to congratulate you once again for joining the 90-Day Body by Bite Challenge. We look forward to hearing your story and sharing it with the world. Congratulations.